German tuner Brabus announced a new model today based on the Mercedes-AMG GT 63S, dubbed the Rocket 900. As the name suggests, it makes 900 horsepower from a highly modified version of the GT63's twin-turbo V8. There's also a carbon fiber widebody kit, a retuned suspension, and a whole lot more. Brabus claims its body kit, which also includes a reworked front bumper, diffuser, and a big wing, were developed in a wind tunnel to make the car more aerodynamically efficient, and produce actual downforce. The pieces are complemented by a set of Brabus-made monoblock wheels that measure 21 inches up front, and 22 inches in the rear. Under the hood sits the GT63's twin-turbo V8, but much of its components have been replaced or improved upon. Displacement is up from 4.0 to 4.5 liters thanks to a larger bore and a new billet crankshaft. There are also billet rods and forged pistons. The turbos have been replaced with Brabus unts with larger compressor units, increasing boost pressure to 20 pounds per square inch. There's also a ram air intake built into the radiator grille up front, and a free-flowing exhaust to minimize back pressure. The result is 900 horsepower and 774 pounds-to-foot of torque. Brabus claims it actually managed to squeeze 922 pounds-to-foot of torque from the engine on a bench tester, but limited output electronically to protect the rest of the drivetrain. The claimed performance numbers are supercar rivaling. Brabus says the Rocket 900 can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, and 0 to 124 mph in 9.7 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 205 miles per hour due to the vehicle's high weight and tire selection. Brabus is only building 10 examples of the Rocket 900, priced from €435,800, around $516,000, in Europe, over 3 times the price of a standard GT63S. Would you pay that kind of money for what's likely one of the most capable 4-doors on the planet? Let us know in the comments below. Ah damn it, replacing my 2-old bike is not for soon. I guess I gotta keep it for another century. If you want to see more videos, or maybe if you want to waste more time by watching unnecessary cars videos which we can't afford, both of us, so hit the subscribe button below and just like it no matter you like it or not.